Bhaktamar Stotra, Eology of Lord Adinatha, verse number 9. It's Jnanayam, chanting power, or can say the power of Jnanayam chanting. Now it's time to look at the verse number 9, rose order. Line number 1 of verse number 9 contains the following words. First one is Astam Tav Istavanam Ast Samast Dosham. Here Asta means rest, Tav that means your, Istavanam its theology, Ast Samast Dosham. Ast Samast that means less from all, Dosham is faults, or can say devoid from all the faults. Second line is Tvat Sankathati Jagatam Duritani. Last one is Hanti. Tvat that means again pure, Sank Thapi pure chain, or can say name, even Jagata of worldly people, Duri Tani that means to all the sins, Hanti it's annihilates or destructs. Third line is Dure Sahasra Kirnaha Kurute Prabheva. Here Dure that means far away, Sahasra Kirana it's sun, Kurute that means goes for, or can say capital G, Prabheva that means raise. And the last one is Padma Kareshu Jal Jani Vikas Bhanji. Padma Kareshu here in the ponds, Jal Jani two lotuses, Vikas Bhanji it's blue. Okay, now turn to understand the complete meaning of verse number 9 through the chart. One side it is Tav Istavanam, and on another side it is Sahasra Kirna. Here Tav Istavanam that means your theology, and Sahasra Kirna it's sun. Now common word for both is Dure Asta, that means your theology is only sufficient or can say sun is at distance. Here tat sankathapi, that means your pure tail even, or can say your pure name even. Here it is prabha. Prabha, that means rays of sun. Here it is jagatam. Jagatam, that means of worldly people. Here padma kareshu, that is lotuses. Here it is duritani, that means destructs, and this side it is jal jani, that means padma kareshu in the ponds, jal jani to lotuses. Padma kareshu, that means in the ponds, and jal jani it is to lotuses. Duritani hanti, hanti, that means destructs. Duritani, to all the sins of whom? Of all the worldly people. Credit goes to your pure name even. And at last, Vikas Bhanji Kurte. Vikas Bhanji Kurte, that means blue. Now from this chart, here we have to put the arrows so to make it so easy to understand. Now look at the complete meaning of this verse. Listen very carefully. Oh God, sun is at long distance, even though strong enough to bloom lotuses in the pond. Credit goes to the rays of sun. Same way, not to talk about your ideology, your pure tale, or can say discussion of your pure doings is much sufficient to destruct all the sins of worldly people. In this way, we discussed about the description of verse number 9. Here is the text.